Guys, let's talk about the loan packaging and the lender's disclosures. We are assuming you have an executed contract, which means we need updated documents from you. Updated pay stubs, bank statements, anything that's time sensitive. We will certainly let you know what those items are. Please be responsive and get those to us within 24 to 48 hours. At this point, you will also need to be shopping for your homeowner's insurance. Please call around, get your quotes, but within 48 hours, you need to let us know who you will be using for insurance. Now, let's talk about the lender's disclosures, what we will be sending to you. Our disclosure team will actually be sending you an email. It won't come from somebody from the immediate team, but an email will go out to you guys where you can then access about 38 to 40 pages. I wish I was kidding, but about 38 pages where you guys will have to click, 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 and e-sign the majority of the pages. There will be about 5 or 6 that need actual wet signatures, meaning pen to ink and all that on paper, and then you can scan or fax those back to us. We will also send you a credit inquiry letter. This is where you need to explain any recent credit pulls that are not done from us. We want to make sure that you haven't gone out and bought in that new BMW or even the new furniture refrigerator. Whole section on do's and don'ts. Check that out. Tells you what not to do and how not to screw up the process in the middle of everything. Understand that the disclosure team, when they send out these documents, they're going to send out what's called an LE, a loan estimate. That's going to have rough numbers for what they think closing costs will be. Understand, we are in 49 different states, and to be compliant, we don't ever want to give the illusion we're trying to bait and switch. Therefore, our compliance team, which is part of our disclosure team, is going to make sure they send you some very high, very rough, very conservative numbers. Best thing we can tell you from the Mortgage Mark team, use the loan estimates we send you. They're going to be very, very, very close. We will certainly provide you updated numbers throughout the process, but realize what the disclosure team is going to send you. I got to be honest, we don't pay a whole lot of attention to them because they're just for disclosure purposes. Again, pay attention to the loan summary. We send that, we create it. Those have better numbers. And certain programs will require other disclosures, perhaps gift letters, perhaps some credit counseling, things of those nature. We will also send that to you as well. Big thing to remember here, there are 2 different document portals. The one you've probably been using and are most familiar with is called Flowify. That is where we spend 95% of our time. But the disclosure team will send you something through an e-portal that you have to log in and get, and it's through like an Ellie Mae portal. And you guys need to remember that. Later on in the process, right before closing, they're going to send you another disclosure called a closing disclosure. So remember your logins and passwords for that. And if ever there's a doubt where to send it or upload documents, use Flowify. Call us if you have any questions. We are certainly here to help, and we look forward to working with you.